Last week, I audited 5 AI-built apps. All 5 were leaking user data. In one app, any user could make themselves an admin. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to verify your app's security yourself, no coding required. We will use Supabase's impersonation feature to see exactly what each user can access. Lovable, Bolt, VNot use Supabase as their backend. For those new here, I run an AI development agency and the Idea to App School community. Let me show you my exact process. Log in to the Supabase dashboard and navigate to the right project. Navigate to the table editor in the left sidebar. Click any of the tables that you have. This is where your actual data lives. Users, posts, messages, anything. Click any of the tables you want to test. I'm going to be showing it using the user streaks table. We have a streaks feature in one of our apps. A user should only be able to see their own streak in the system. That's what we're going to test. By default, you are in super admin mode. You see all the data in the database. See this role button here? This is where you can view your database as different users. Postgres role is the current default super admin role. If I click anon here, that stands for anonymous. Okay. So what does anonymous see? See, the table became empty. No public person on the internet can see any data in this table. That's good for my use case. You shouldn't see any data here unless your app is public, like blog posts or e-commerce listings or whatever. If your app data needs to be secure and data here in anon, your RLS policies are broken, fix them ASAP. Stick around and I'll show you what options you have to fix this. The real magic is in this third option, authenticated role. Here, I can select any particular user in the system and then view the entire database as that user. So if I select this first one, impersonate, now I'm viewing the entire database as this particular role. So if I go to profiles, for example, I only see one entry because I'm viewing data as this particular user. If I remove this and I go to anonymous, I won't see anything. Nobody's supposed to see my profiles. If I see the Postgres super admin role, I see all the profiles in the system. For authenticated, a single user, they only see their profile in the system, not others in the system. This is good. Now back to the user streaks table. Here we have a bug. You can test each scenario. Can use A see user B's data? Can user A see user B's private messages? Can org members see some other organization members' data? This tells you instantly. We just tested viewing. What about editing and deleting? AI gets these wrong as well. So let's test deleting first. Make sure we are impersonating the user and just test this on dummy data, okay? So I'm just going to take a record, this 81, click this, click delete one row and try to delete it. If the delete goes through, something bad is happening. Even though Supabase says successfully deleted the selected row, the actual delete did not go through, okay? I can refresh the page. I can go impersonate again and I see my actual data is still there. So even that toast notification, that seems to be a little bit of a bug in Supabase's dashboard, but the actual delete did not go through. So my delete RLS policies are okay. What about my edit RLS policies? So I've intentionally placed a bug here. The user is technically not allowed to edit their streak data, but just to showcase how to fix this, if I double click and edit it, make the streak 800 days instead of 80 days. Again, a little bit of a quirk in Supabase dashboard, it didn't reflect, but if I refresh the page, the edit has gone through. Even though it made it look like the edit did not go through, see that 80 became 800. So if I impersonate again, yeah, that 80 streak became 800. So a user, this is a bug, I've placed it, a user can edit their own streak data and make it larger. We don't really want that, okay? So how do I fix it? What are our options to fix it? So option one, you can get an expert like us and our team to come in and fix it for you. That's of course just a plug for our agency. Supabase gives a nice AI assistant here. We can configure the permission settings and allow access to schema, logs, or maybe data if you want, but I'll just go with schema and logs and confirm that. Now this AI has access to the schema. So if I can just ask it to the user streaks table, a user should be able to edit their own data only. So this AI assistant will help me craft a RLS policy to apply here and guide me through, and then we can fix it here. The other option is to go to something like Lovable Bolt, wherever you were trying to originally code it. that's probably a little bit better. You should make migration files and apply with that approach so that AI assistant has access to the context as well. You can also try to prompt lovable, bold, we not, whatever it is, explain the scenario and ask it to fix it. That will give the AI agent context, and it should probably create a migration file to save it in the code base, not just because the Supabase assistant will just apply the migration. It may not go into your code, and that can create a bit of a discrepancy. If you're still stuck, you can join our Idea to App community. I do live Q&As and I answer questions every day, and we can brainstorm this together as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos exposing what AI gets wrong and how to fix it. Thanks. Bye.